Hi, welcome to PLSQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about VARRAY methods like extend, limit, count, first and last in PLSQL block. Now we will see another example of how do we see the first, last and count value from VARRAY. So let's give an example. This is the declaration. This is the initialization, and inside the begin and end, and here we can see the VList equal VList. Here we just append some value. Now we will show the first index. So this one. So if I execute this one, here we can see the first index is 1. Now we will see the last index, this one. So if I execute this one, here we can see the last index is here, actually last. Yeah, last index is 5. Now we will see the total count. So if I execute this one, here we can see the total count is 5. Now we will check the existing item in VARRAY. Here we can check the VARRAY extend 1 and is true, then if then the item exists. So if I execute this one, here we can see the item exists. So this is one index, and if I give the value 10, and in here we can see we don't have any existing item. So if I change this again to 1, and let's check, here we can see exist items. Now we will see the another example of inserting or appending some record from a table. So let's do it. This is the variable declaration, and after then we initialize this one as like, then the index is here, and inside the begin and end I just want to execute the for loop for 106, and this is the loop start at end. Inside the loop, here we must have to extend it first, and then here we can see the select statement. Here is employee and it is across, and our value inserted into VARRAY list, and here the index, and its initial value is 1, and here we just incrementing the value by 1 in every loop traversing. So now we will print this value from VARRAY list. So here we can see the VARRAY list. First, this one, the initial value, VARRAY list.count. This is the total count or last value. And inside the loop statement, we can see the dbms line, VARRAY list. Here the k is the index. So if we execute these lines, here we can see the result keying 6 results. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.